The position of an object moving along the x-axis is given by the equation x of t equal to t squared minus 6t plus 9, where x is in meters and t is time in seconds. Does the object's direction of motion change? And what reasoning supports that claim? You should pause now and try to get the answer on your own. The direction of motion is closely connected with only one of the quantities: position, velocity, or acceleration. The motion is in the positive direction if the displacement increases positively over time, and it is in the negative direction in the opposite case. The quantity that depends on displacement is the velocity, displacement over time interval. Therefore, the direction of motion will change only if the velocity changes in sign. Derivation tells us that the velocity function is 2t minus 6, which changes sign at t equals 3 seconds. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. Thank you for watching. See you next time.